සැත්කම් සඳහා ස්ථාවර අවමගාස්තු දැන් නවලෝකෙන් අමතන්න බින්දොයි හත හත එකයි හැතදාහයි හත.
A sudden strengthening of the southwestern monsoon affected over 5,000 people yesterday, especially due to the strong and gusty winds that blew across the island last night. As a result, a section of a building under construction in Vellavatta collapsed on two parked cars. One death was reported in the incident of a 52-year-old resident of Kaduela who was seated in one of the cars at the time. Meanwhile, several houses in the area of Egaduyana in Moratuwa were severely damaged due to the strong winds that blew across the area. Residents stated that power lines in the area were broken for around 1 kilometer. In the meantime, two three-wheelers parked at the Panadura hospital premises were severely damaged elsewhere. A tree was uprooted on the Colombo-Chilla road due to the strong winds, causing disruptions to traffic flow. Meanwhile, the Department of Meteorology says that showers or thunder showers up to 100 millimeters could be expected at times in the western, central, Sabaragamu, northwestern and southern provinces. It added that strong gusty winds up to 60 kilometers per hour are likely to blow over the western slope of the central hills as well.
With strengthening of the southwest monsoon flow across Sri Lanka, we already experienced adverse weather conditions. Prevailing strong gusty winds are likely to continue today and gradual reduction can be expected after tomorrow. Heavy falls about 100 millimeter also likely over the western slopes of the central hills during next couple of days. When we consider the sea areas of Mannar to Pottuwil via Colombo, Galle and Hambantota will be very rough at times and it will be dangerous to enter into these sea areas.
We will see you shortly. Bear with us.
වීව එකතුණු උකුතේ එකක
රස උපරිමයි.